Friday night.
Asshole.
Or Friday afternoon. Hey, look there. It's a microwave. And a dishwasher that I don't want. But I will take the microwave. Let's start. See what else we can find. Let's just keep looking. Keep finding stuff. Be a no on that. But, however, I will take that. Get away from me. Get away from me, man. Damn. Dude. What's wrong with you? Like these things have been emptied, but I got a cord in the microwave already. It's better than a sharp stick in the eye. Boogie boards. Bunch of boogie boards. Do I have a hook? Why, yes I do. Hook, but it's a hook. Is it enough to do what I need? It is. I thought that was. It said Conair on it. I'll take that. I don't think so, but I will take a little tape and the razor. Got a couple things going here, you know, for it to be an empty kind of run. Let's keep going. Anything? Other than that dirty ass mattress that's been in there for a long time. And I thought that was somebody getting in my truck. But it wasn't. So, let's move on across the street to the next round of dumpsters at the apartment complex. No. I had to put, I brought old Red in today because when she went and picked up that metal yesterday from that guy, that's on the video if you see. He gave her what he said was a dryer, some sort of dryer, not a clothes dryer, and it wound up having an ACR in it, a bunch of copper. That thing. And it had that wire, that compressor that little HCR and all that copper come out of it. That's what's left of it. That's gonna go to scrap. That was a good gift of sort to give. But the reason I brought that up, I brought the truck in like I always do when I bring them in. I'll have them, you know, I'll check fluids and check suspension and just looking to make sure I don't have something looming that's going to cause me problems. Want to check tire pressure. The left rear tire was about 15 pounds off. And I go to inspect it, and sure enough, it's got a nail in it. But more importantly than that, that tire was getting low tread wise. So I installed a couple tires on the rear. I already put 2 new ones on the front not too long ago. Hey, that one's got a mattress. Everywhere I go, man. Everywhere I go, I run into one of my things. Never fails. Let's get it out there. That probably wants to hang out with me rather than stay in this stinky thing. Know what I mean? Ow. Got it. Man, it is fly central in there. Something else for the mix. Moving on. Anything? Man, they had been empty today. So, yeah, nothing. Keep looking. I'm gonna say something else too. Everybody, well, most everybody, I know you watch your channel, and I've always said I'm an acquired taste. I'm sure a lot of you think I come across as an asshole, and rightly so. I can most definitely be an asshole, but I also appreciate hard work and effort. I'm gonna give a shout out to her for what she did yesterday, not just going and picking up that steel, but she took 3 trucks to the scrapyard yesterday for no other reason than to go to the scrapyard. You know, she didn't have to do that. She could have stayed home. Could have laid on the couch and ate bonbons. See, now that's coming across like an asshole now. It'll be a long scrapping weekend, and we're closed Monday, so. Nothing. Which means the scrapyard is going to be closed Monday. That's what I love right there. Y'all see that? Here's what I don't like. I don't like anybody mad dogging me. I don't like anybody staring me down. If you're gonna stare me down, I'm gonna come right back and stare at you. I get it. You know, I'm out looking through dumpsters, Maybe you think that's interesting. Maybe you don't. I don't know. Look at these idiots parked right in the middle of the road. That one's up on the curb. Parked on the sidewalk. Back to my point about mad dogging. If I drive around, you know, if I'm driving around looking at something, hey, should I go to that dumpster? Is there something at that dumpster? And somebody's walking across the parking lot and just staring at me while they continually walk, yeah, I'm gonna mad dog you back. I don't mind you looking, saying, hey, wonder what that guy's doing. But then when I lock eyes with you and you keep walking, staring, maybe that's just me. Maybe that's me being an asshole. I don't know. I don't like it. I never have, never will. I take that as you're trying to impose something on me, and that just ain't gonna happen. You know, we're gonna have an issue. Maybe that makes me a bad guy. I don't know. Don't care. It's the way it is. Don't stare at me. Stare at me, I'll stare at you back. Flip me off, I'll get out and whip your ass. See if Larry's out. Larry's not there. Look there. The gang's out there, but Larry's nowhere. You know what? I heard through the grapevine that Larry had violated his probation. So he may be in the Goose Gal. Man, that was bad. That was just really bad. Let's just forget I even said that. These have probably been empty too. Well, yeah, kind of, sort of. Well, there's something interesting over here. It don't weigh nothing. Crap. I'm not going to be out here all day on this, folks. All that for that. It's a pipe. Not really, it's curtain rod. I will say this, I'm not gonna be tore up or, oh my God, this is an awful scrap day, I'm gonna go broke if I don't find anything this afternoon, because I got big weekend plans. It's going to involve a lot of scrapping. I'm taking the big truck. Making sure I have plenty of straps. So I plan on loading this thing to the hilt. And then I'm going to drive back in a slow lane. And if I'm in a construction zone, I'm probably gonna be driving pretty fast, but I'll be in a slow lane. I'll at least do that much. I think that's a good compromise, because ain't nobody runs 55 in that damn construction zone. I try to run 55 in there, I'll get run over. Yeah, this ain't happening. I gotta remember, on the street I come in to go to the apartments, there's a gas station there. I thought I saw something back by their dumpster. looked interesting. It might be worth checking out. Yeah, see this? These things just got emptied, man. Just got emptied. I'm tired of bringing you all out and showing you empty dumpsters. I'm gonna wait until we find something. How about that? I think I found something. Yeah. I can go in. There's something else in there. Don't think I'm gonna be able to get it. What's up, man? I don't believe God. Go ahead, go ahead. Thanks, man. Look. Man. Look at that. I'm getting attacked by bees. For that, and apparently I've pissed off a bunch of bees. They're losing it on me. Damn. Okay. Well, there's definitely a bee party in there. And I also charged the air conditioning on this thing. If I didn't say that already. It's doing pretty good. Starting to frost up the window there. Sticks and stones may break my bones, but scrap will never fail me. License plate said IGR, the number 8, IAM. Great I am. Oh, I'd love to follow that guy down, just smack the shit out of him. Asshole.